Did you know incredible American wonders are happening every day, from tiny lab tricks to massive engineering marvels? In science, researchers map brain signals faster than ever. In history, a lost relic surfaces after decades of dust. Have you ever heard about solar roads lighting up highways or bioluminescent bays shimmering at night in warm weather? Have you witnessed a community sensor network predicting floods in minutes, or a pop-up urban garden feeding neighbors? Subscribe to catch more rapid wonders, smash that like, and dive into other mind-blowing videos right after this.